I love sports, especially badminton.
Yeah, I too. My favorite is cricket and badminton. One more, football is also there in my favorite list.
Sports keeps our health strong and make us energetic at every moment of the day. Meanwhile, I don't like dodgeball.
Ugh, dodgeball is the worst. Especially when paired with the girls. They can never throw properly.
Really? Here we go again with the stereotype.
I'm not trying to be stereotypical, it's just, well, have you seen them play?
Yeah, and have you seen some of the guys fumble during basketball? Sports aren't about brute strength, Alex. It's about technique, practice, and teamwork. Girls can absolutely excel in sports.
I guess, but some sports just seem more suited for guys. Like football, for example. It's too rough for girls.
Have you ever watched a professional women's soccer game? They're incredibly skilled and tough. And there are plenty of girls who love the physical aspect of sports. Besides, girls are dominating sports like tennis, gymnastics, and even weightlifting. Strength comes in all forms, Alex.
Okay, those are some exceptions. But you have to admit, there just aren't as many girls in sports compared to guys.
That's true, but things are changing. More and more girls are getting involved in sports, and we're seeing incredible female athletes breaking records all the time.
Maybe you have a point. I mean, Serena Williams is pretty amazing.
Exactly. And there are so many other inspiring female athletes out there, like Simone Biles, Allyson Felix, or Ibtihaj Muhammad. These women are pushing boundaries and proving that girls can achieve anything in sports.
Wow, I never really thought about it that way. Maybe I've been underestimating girls in sports.
It's okay, Alex. A lot of people still have these outdated stereotypes. But hopefully, with more exposure to women's sports, these perceptions will change.
You're right. Maybe I should actually watch some women's sporting events instead of assuming they're not good.
Great idea. You might be surprised at how exciting and competitive they can be.
Hey, maybe I'll even try out for a co-ed sport next year. Just to see how I fare against the girls.
Now you're talking, Alex. That's the spirit. Remember, sports are for everyone, regardless of gender.